Hey guys, this is Uzair Magda. Welcome to my new video. So today I will show you how you can use your PS4 remote headset jack as your sound output. All your sound will which is coming from your speaker of the TV will come from your headset, which you have put it on the controller. So as you can see, I have already connected my headset with my controller, and then now press and hold a PS button which is located between two sticks, then go to sound and device, then go to output and headphone, then press X and go to the all audio and click X. It should now sound should be come from your headset. Thank you guys, and this is the volume controller for your headphone. Thank you.